Hello, and welcome back to Calm Speak English. This is a quiet space to listen, relax, and practice English at a slow and natural pace. My name is Alex, and I'm happy you're here today. In this episode, I will speak slowly. I will use clear and simple English. The goal is to help you feel comfortable listening and speaking. Today, we are going to talk about something very familiar. We are going to talk about your day. Not just short sentences, but full ideas. We will talk about the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. By the end of this episode, you will be able to describe your day in English using natural and easy sentences. Let's begin. Talking about your day is very important because your day is real. It happens every day, and you know it well. You don't need difficult topics. You don't need big words. You can talk about what time you wake up. You can talk about what you eat. You can talk about where you go and how you feel. When you describe your day, you practice real English, English that people use in daily life. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to speak. Little by little, you start to think in English. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do today?" You can answer calmly, "I woke up early. I went to work. I had coffee. In the evening, I relaxed at home." That is real communication. Now, let's start with the beginning of the day, the morning. The morning is an important part of the day. It sets the mood. It gives you energy. I will describe a simple morning routine. In the morning, I usually wake up around 7 o'clock. Some days I wake up earlier. If I sleep late, I feel tired in the morning. I stay in bed for a few minutes. I think about the day ahead. Then I slowly get up. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel awake. Sometimes I take a short shower. The water helps my body relax. After that, I get dressed. I choose something clean and comfortable. Then I go to the kitchen. I prepare breakfast. I usually eat something simple: toast, eggs, or fruit. I drink coffee or tea. I eat slowly. I enjoy the quiet morning. Before I leave the house, I check my phone. I look at the time. I check my schedule. I take my keys and my bag, and I leave the house. Now, let me tell you a short morning story. In the morning, I wake up around 7. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I make breakfast. I drink coffee and sit near the window. I enjoy the calm moment. Then I get ready and start my day. Now let's move to the afternoon. The afternoon is usually busy. Many people work or study during this time. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel a little sleepy, but I try to stay focused. I check my emails. I answer messages. I work on my tasks. Sometimes I have meetings. Other times I work quietly at my desk. In the afternoon, I take a short break. I drink water or tea. Sometimes I eat a small snack. If I have time, I go for a short walk. Fresh air helps me feel better. I also use the afternoon to practice English. I listen to slow audio. I repeat simple sentences. This helps my speaking. Before I finish work, I think about what I did today. I prepare for tomorrow. Now, let me describe my afternoon in a short story. After lunch, I return to my desk. I make a list of things to do. I work for a few hours. Later, I take a short break and drink tea. I listen to English and relax. Before the day ends, I review my work. Now, let's talk about the evening. The evening is a time to slow down. It is a time to rest. In the evening, I come home. I take off my shoes. I sit down and relax. Sometimes I cook dinner. Sometimes I order food. I eat slowly. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. Later, I watch something calm or listen to soft music. Before bed, I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I prepare for sleep. I usually go to bed around 10:30 or 11. Now, you have heard a full day, morning, afternoon, and evening. Your day may be different. That's okay. What matters is that you talk about your life in English. One sentence is enough. Tomorrow you can say more. You are learning. You are improving, step by step. Thank you for listening to Calm Speak English. My name is Alex. Keep listening, keep speaking, and be kind to yourself. See you next time.